Hello. Today we are going to review Microsoft Word's dictation and read-aloud features. I am going to play a video of me dictating to Word, and then the original text will be read back. I tried dictating the text a few times before recording the process. I did try not to stop and correct mistakes. The hardest part of this was knowing what voice command to say so Word would use the correct punctuation. As you watch the text be placed in gray, you can see what I am speaking, commands and text alike. You can also see when it turns black autocorrect trying to sort out what I meant. After recording this, I did read the help information for the dictate feature. It does show the verbal commands for punctuation, editing, navigation and selection, formatting, creating lists, adding comments, dictation commands, symbols, mathematics, currency, and emoji. I think the largest impact on the accuracy for this feature is a high-quality microphone and a quiet environment. Now, let's see how the read-aloud feature works.
In this demo, we're going to be looking at the dictate feature in Microsoft Word. I'm going to be reading a small section from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Chapter 1. Down the Rabbit Hole. Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the bank, and of having nothing to do. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. And what is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversations? So she was considering in her own mind, as well as she could, for the hot day made her feel very sleepy and stupid, whether the pleasure of making a daisy chain would be worth the trouble of getting up and picking the daisies, when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her.
The read-aloud is very stilted. I have been using the Ava voice and text-to-speech in Microsoft Clipchamp for all of the videos submitted so far, and I have found it to be far more natural when reading back text than Word's text-to-speech.